Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Yes, welcome to Gautam Model School, Vanasalipuram. Class 2 and subject English. Shall we start our academics, children? All these days you were nicely enjoying being at home, isn't it? So it's really the time that let us start with our academics. Okay children? So everyone open your textbooks. You might be wondering, what is our textbook? Yeah, this is your textbook, isn't it? Yeah. Ratnasagar series, Flowers textbook. Everyone open your textbook, children. Okay, so you have to open. Let's start with our first lesson. So before we start our lesson, everyone be ready with your pencil and your textbook. Whenever the time when I am teaching you the lesson, you try to focus on the line that I am teaching, I am reading out. Okay children? So shall we all start? Yeah, so everyone open page number 5 children. What do we have in the first page? We have the first lesson is Mary and the Mouse. What lesson do we have children? We have Mary and the Mouse. So in that lesson you have a activity. Shall we all do that activity children? Yes, everyone take your pencil and be ready and let's focus on the activity. So what you have to do here? Who are we? Write our names and take those who would like to be friends with you. You may choose all if you like. Okay children? So here, if you see, what is this first picture children? Have you ever seen it? Yes? Huh? It looks like a cat. No, but it's not a cat. It's a mouse. You know what is a mouse? Sometimes you call it as a rat. No, in your language. Yes, that's the thing. So it's a mouse. Write down the spelling of the mouse, children. No, you don't know the spelling of the mouse? Okay, so I'll tell you the spelling and you write down the spelling of the mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. So what is the spelling of the mouse, children? M-O-U-S-E. Fill up it here children in this blank provided. Okay. Yes. Now what is the second picture about? Can you all see? What is the second picture? Huh? Yes, it's an elephant. Do you like elephant? Have you ever seen it? Yes, yes children, that time whenever you had been to the zoo, isn't it? With all your friends, teachers, sirs and everyone, you had visited the zoo. There you might have seen it, isn't it? Yes, that's the thing, yes. And this is the elephant. Write down the spelling of the elephant children. You want me to tell the spelling of the elephant? Okay, write it down. E-L-E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Have you all written children? Should I say it once again? Yeah. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Okay, have you all written? Yeah, now let's go with the third one. What is this third picture about children? Yes? Yeah, it's a snake. Oh, I am very much afraid of the snakes. Are you? Yes children. So write down the spelling of the snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. What is the spelling of the snake children? S-N-A-K-E, snake. Written? Completed everyone? Yeah, so let's go with the fourth monkey. Fourth one. What is it? It's a monkey. Have you ever seen it? Yeah. So write down the spelling of the monkey, children. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Completed, children? Everyone writing the monkey spelling. Sometimes we do the things just same like the monkey, isn't it? All the naughty things and get scoldings from our parents, isn't it? Mama says, are you a monkey or a donkey? You are acting like that. No. All the Gautam children are really very good. They are not monkeys, not something else. They don't do naughty things. Will you, children? No, you don't, isn't it? Yeah. So next one. What is the fifth one, children? Can you all see? What is this? Yeah, it's a squirrel. What is it, children? It's a squirrel. So what is the spelling of squirrel? S-Q-U. Write down, children, everyone. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. So what is the spelling, children? S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. Completed? Yeah. So let's go with the sixth one. So what is this, children? It looks so colorful, isn't it? This and what is it? Yeah, it's a peacock. What it is? Peacock. So write down the spelling of the peacock, children. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. So have you all completed writing this page, children? Yes, those who have completed, send me the pic. I'll just see it. Okay. Take the picture of this page and send it to us. Okay, children. Now let's get into the lesson. Shall we, children? Yes. So what is the name of the lesson that I told you in the starting of the video, children? Yes, it is the Mary and the Mouse. What is the name of the lesson? Mary and the Mouse. So let's see what is happening in the lesson. Okay, children. Shall we read? Okay. So everyone open page number 6, and whenever I am reading the textbook, just focus on the lines that I am reading, children. Okay, and keep your pencil on the line that I am reading it. Okay, children, will you all do it? Yes. So let's get started. So let's start our lesson, children. So this lesson is all about a girl named Mary. Okay, here she is. So shall we start reading our lesson? Everyone point your pencil to the line that I am reading it out. Okay? Yes. So Mary is playing with her friends Aslam, Harjeet and Millie. So with whom is Mary playing with? With her friends Aslam, Harjeet and Millie. Mary's mother brings fruits and biscuits for them. So here in this picture you can see the 4 friends playing the indoor game, that is carom board, isn't it? So how many friends are there here? 3 friends, isn't it? Along with Mary. Here you can find Millie, Harjeet, Aslam and Mary. And here you can find her mother, Mary's mother, bringing them fruits and biscuits. Whenever you play, sometimes your mother also serves you and your friends with any of the snacks, isn't it, children? So in the same way, as they all were playing together, Mary's mother was serving them with fruits and biscuits. So what are the names of the children, friends children? Aslam, Harjeet and Millie. Who are all these? They are Mary's friends. So let's get back. Suddenly Mary sees a mouse near the plate of biscuits. So what happened? Suddenly what did Mary see? Mary has seen a mouse. It is your turn, Mary. Help, help. Why are you shouting? So what happened here actually? So when it was her turn, Mary suddenly started shouting, help, help. So then Aslam says, why are you shouting? Then next let's see what has happened. Mary jumps up and runs out. Her friends follow her. So what happened? Immediately she jumps up from the place and she starts running out of the room. So along with her, even her friends start moving to know what has happened. Please help. Stop, Mary. Please stop. So her friends were asking her to stop, but she was not listening. She was shouting and screaming, saying that, please help. Okay. So now next page. They are in the living room now. Mary is sitting with her feet up. So where are they now? From the other room they went into the living room. Okay, and what did Mary do? Here you can see in the chair, she kept her feet up and she is sitting. So then her friend Millie says, let us go back to your room, Mary. Yes, let's go and play. Aslam says, I don't want to. Someone please help me. So when her friends are asking her to let us get back and play the caroms, then Mary is saying that no, she don't want to play and she's asking someone to help her, isn't it? Yes. So now next, Mary sees the mouse again. She gets off the chair and shouts, what is wrong, Mary? Look at her. Why is she shouting? So again what happened? She has again seen the mouse here. Can you all see the mouse, children? Yes. So only Mary can see that. And again she gets off the chair and shouts again, help me, help me. So Mary is now standing on the bed. Her mother comes in. So whenever you shout and scream in the house, children, your mother comes inside and inquires what has happened, isn't it? So in the same way, her mother also comes in and asks why Mary was standing on the bed. Why are you standing on the bed, Mary? Then Mary is scared. She does not want to play on the rug. So what is this rug, children? Underline the word rug. Rug is nothing but this. Can you all see this, children? A floor covering. This is called as the rug. We call it as carpet, right? The floor covering. Rug here is nothing but a floor covering of thick woven material or animal skin is called as rug. Next page, children. So when Mary looks again, the mouse is not there. So again she has looked at the mouse. Who looked at the mouse? Mary. So when Mary looks again, the mouse is not there. The children are now cleaning up the room. So because the previous time what happened, because she was frightened up with the mouse, she has left everything here and there and they have run out, isn't it? So that is the reason they are cleaning up the room, because they have messed up all the room with the biscuits and they have played, isn't it? As they have messed up the room, they are not troubling the parents to clean up. They are cleaning themselves the room. Okay, children. So now let's see what has happened. The mouse got scared of us. It is such a small animal. So you all know, if you happen to see a mouse, the mouse will run away, isn't it? As soon as it sees you, it runs away. In the same way, here also the mouse got scared of the children because it is a small animal. As all these children were cleaning the house, Mary's mother was appreciating them by saying, "Well done." What did she say, children? Well done. So here Mary's friend was saying that I like mice because mice are nice. Now, did the small animal harm them, children? No. It came out to have food because Mary's mother had brought some fruits and biscuits to eat, isn't it? So it has seen that and it has come to eat them up. Okay, children? So in the same way, you all also don't be afraid of the small animals, children. You should never be afraid of them because they are small animals. They'll not harm us. Okay, children? And the second point is that whenever you make your room messy, try to clean the room, children, okay, by helping your mother. This is the way that you can help your mother. See, suppose if you are drawing, okay, sometimes you tear the papers and you throw the bits of the paper here and there. So instead of putting up here and there, after you complete your work, so clean up the room. See, okay, children? So in this way, you have to help your mother or help your father, your parents in any of the way that you can, and they really feel very, very happy, children. And at the same time, they appreciate you also, isn't it? So shall we get the appreciations from our parents? Yes. So this is all about the lesson, the Mary and the mouse. So we shall watch a video on this lesson. Shall we? Are you all excited? Yes, next we shall watch a video on this lesson.
Mary is playing with her friends Aslam, Harjeet and Minnie. Mary's mother brings fruits and biscuits for them. Suddenly, Mary sees a mouse near the plate of biscuits.
It is your turn, Mary. Help! Help! Why are you shouting?
Mary jumps up and runs out. Her friends follow her.
Please help! Stop, Mary. Please stop.
They are in the living room now. Mary is sitting with her feet up.
Let us go back to your room, Mary. Yes, let's go and play. I don't want to. Someone please help me.
Mary sees the mouse again. She gets off the chair and shouts.
What is wrong, Mary? Look at her. Why is she shouting?
Mary is now standing on the bed. Her mother comes in. Why are you standing on the bed, Mary?
Mary is scared. She does not want to play on the rug.
Scared? Oh, the mouse. It must have come to taste your biscuits. When Mary looks again, the mouse is not there. The children are now cleaning up the room.
The mouse got scared of us. It is such a small animal.
I like mice. Mice are nice. Well done.